And a health alert today with students heading back to the classroom. Health officials in Clark County are concerned about the potential rise of whooping cough. Now, whooping cough is a serious respiratory illness that spreads easily from person to person when an infected person breathes, coughs, or sneezes. Since June 1st, 183 cases were reported in Clark County. So far this year, 229 cases have been reported. 65% of those cases have never been vaccinated against whooping cough.
My big worry is that we're seeing these numbers right now. What happens when school starts? And we've got, there's some schools that have very low vaccination rates. We're likely to see more. And of course, this can be a deadly disease.
Early symptoms are similar to those of a common cold, runny or stuffy nose, a mild cough, and a low-grade fever, but can escalate to severe coughing fits and difficulty breathing. Now, people who are vaccinated may still get whooping cough, but their illness is usually not as bad. So Dr. Melnick says it is important to get vaccinated.